What's up, guys? Today the plan is to make a support between the power steering pump and the oil pump. That's going to be the support to delete the AC. If you have a 2JZ and you want to delete your AC, remove the AC compressor because it's super heavy, you can buy supports. You can pay anywhere around $50 plus shipping all the way to $180. So I'm going to make a budget one because I'm putting on my drift car, which is going to be wrapped and all that stuff. If you didn't watch the other videos, just go back and watch some of those videos. I just reviewed that whole engine, and I'm going to make that support because I'm not feeling like paying $100 right now. So first of all, you can go to Home Depot, Lowe's, and buy those metal bars. It's very it's not flexible at all. And what we're going to do is we're going to put this inside here, measure, put down there, measure, and of course I'm going to measure with my eyes. I have like a tape inside my eyes, and we're going to poke holes in here. We're going to drill holes in here, and then saw it. I'm going to try to make a nice finishing, maybe paint in black or even gold or somehow, I don't know, and then put it in there. So this is going to be my support. Some of the supports, they are here and here and here, right? So this is the other hole. I don't know if that's necessary. I've seen I think driftmotion.com has one of those. If you don't want to make it, just go there and buy it. They're good, but you know, it's one thing. So I really don't want to spend that money doing this. All right, so I'm gonna get my marker here. So the top, I'm just gonna eyeball here somewhere, and I'm gonna drill somewhere around here, right in the center. And putting it there, and in the bottom I'm just gonna mark this is the center and this is the center. So yeah, easy, huh? I'm gonna put the measurements later, so if you don't have the engine or if you don't have a way to do this, you can just use my measurements and cut yours. If you're interested, the measurement of this thing here, this is steel, and it says 3/4 by 3/16 by 36 inches. So of course you don't need the 36 inches. You just need a little piece, so you can buy way smaller. I think you're gonna pay like way less than $5. So yeah, and I'm gonna use the hardware that was supposed to be used for the pump, in, you know, if I need to put some washers. There you go. So I'm gonna drill holes in there, and we're gonna come back. All right, holes are done. So I got one hole here and there, so I used the drill bit, and then I used the star. I'm gonna get it. Christmas tree bit, this guy here, and this actually let me get way closer to what I need, and safer, because it just doesn't poke through, and you know, I mean, it's I like this. I don't even know why I never had one of those before starting this garage stuff. So let's go cut this really quick, and let's go feet first. All right, so you see here, there's one point which you screw the bolt, and down here, oh, that's perfect. And there you go. So this here is very secure. I just need a little spacer here. Let me show you. A little gap in here, size of my finger. So we gotta fill that in so this doesn't move. And I gotta also change this bolt because it's too big. I don't need that big, otherwise it's gonna end in here, and I don't need that. Ace Hardware Store. And what we need to do now, we're gonna mark in here, and we're gonna cut the best as we can. All right, so first thing, never forget your protection. Even though it's gonna be far from my face, I needed. I put this box here so the sparks don't go anywhere under the car. Alright, my clean dirty bench. I'm in process of a bunch of stuff, so I don't want to touch anything because I know like my tensioner and all this stuff that's going next. So that's why so much stuff in there. So I found those two things in here, and they go right in the middle, and that with this will be exactly the same size that I need in there. Gonna get stuff and measure, but before I want to use some brake cleaner. I'm gonna clean all of this, and we're gonna paint later. I'm gonna test fit first, see how it goes, and if everything is good, we're gonna paint. So okay, so I don't know yet if it's going to fit, but I'm gonna put this in there. I guess use whatever you gotta use. Oh, it's gonna be perfect. Look at that. Oh boy. Now let's see. Oh, nice. Nice. Look at that. Now I'm gonna put the bottom one. Oh, it worked. Alright. Yeah, look at that. That's perfect. Check it out. Take the camera. It's not bad, huh? For $5, I made my support. I'm gonna get the measurements. I'm gonna show here on the video, but I'm also gonna put in the description. But yeah, look at that. Looking from the top. I might paint it black. I don't know. What do you guys think? All done. All painted. So it's kind of sewer. Yeah, I don't know which color is that, but it has a hint of red. So I'll finish this with this by hand, and bottom same thing. There you go. All right. So we have all of them. Now this is going to support it properly. So I mean, you can see how it looks. I don't know if you want something cooler. Of course, you can buy. You can pay anywhere between $40, $50 probably, and 180, 180. I don't know. I saw for a lot of money. So hope this helps you. I thought it was a pretty simple solution, and you know, it's efficient, so I don't need anything else, anything more than that. Subscribe to my channel, hit the button here, also hit that little bell. That's gonna give you a little message in your bell up there in your YouTube saying you know, someone that you have subscribed post a new video, so you know that me or some other person that you subscribe to post a cool video. And I have lots of cool videos. So this thing here is about to get inside here, so really consider subscribing, and also that's going to help me. So don't forget to like, share, comment, make some comment about this if you think that's not going to hold, or what was your solution for this thing. and I'll be glad to answer. I always read my messages. I'm very close to my subscribers, so if you're subscribed to my channel, or even if you're not subscribed but you send me a message, I'm gonna answer, and I'm gonna be glad to help you if I can. All right. Don't forget to check out my website. There's a bunch of cool merch. It's www.carmodsgarage.com, and I'll see you on the next video.
Look past my face. See status. I mean, it's a